1875, one of the biggest companies that Holyoke have ever seen came to Holyoke. It was located elsewhere in the United States, but the Deane Pump Company in that year came to Holyoke. And it was so good at what they did that they started a place in the Skinner Mill. They used some of the canal water. But by 1895, they had already moved down to the canal street, not using canal water, and they were enormous. So they were as large as 100 yards up from us. And then we're going to go through how much they were. They were going through how much they were. They were all the way down as far as the next building you can see in the distance. All right. The whole building was really 3 buildings. And I would call that about a half-mile long. And what they were making was mostly pumps of different kinds, but other kind of machineries, large-scale machineries, to help these companies. So they were making lots of turbines, lots of pumps of different kinds, including marine pumps, pumps that compressed air, pumps that could do very small jobs too. They were so incredibly large. They employed hundreds of machinists in any given week. And sadly, only 5 years ago, the mill was taken down, so we cannot see except by pictures nowadays. But this was gigantic, and I'm glad they ended up coming. Now, along the way, they changed their name to Worthington Pump Company, and that's what a lot of people around Holyoke today would know them as. And then finally they went out of business. But this was the biggest pump company in the United States. So what we're going to do is once again scan the whole length of this gigantic company for you. In width they were about 100 yards wide, but in length they're about 900 yards long. Incredible system. All right, so see my page for more information, including the sandworms maps that will show all 3 pieces of them. This is the 3rd piece that's left. Only a part of it left. Mills number 1 and 2 are now gone. Thank you very much.